V8. Yes. This over here is the Chevrolet Lumina SS, the pickup truck, the single cab. What is under this boat is a mighty V8, 6.0 liter V8 that pumps out 270 kilowatts. That is 360 brake horsepower. This thing is fast. Let's go around it and check it out. And by the way, they stopped making these cars in 2012, but look at this. It still looks as brand new, as beautiful. I mean, look at it. You see, it's like a brand new car. So whoever that's owned this car, oh, he's over there, by the way, over there. Yeah, he took a good care of the car. Now let's go around it and check it out. The Chevrolet Lumina SS. It's running on some 19 inches alloy, the 245/45, and by the way, these are the original spec tires and rims. They are not the aftermarket. Now let's check out the car at the back and see how it's doing. Oh my god, quad pipes. Oh, and they are not fake. They are not fake. They are real. As you can see, this is not a Bakkie or a truck to put your luggage at the back. This is for occasions. This you take it out sometimes when you have to go somewhere else, because I mean, look at it. This is a marvel. This is a work of art. Now let's continue with the going around the car, and let's check out the interior of the car. Wow. It's got your nice Moyana screen over there. It still looks beautiful. I mean, it's all nice. Let's turn down the music a little bit. It's an automatic transmission. I think it's 8-speed. Yeah. It goes from 0 up to 280 kilometers, and the odometer is reading at just about 27,000. So it's still very much fresh. Yeah, now let's get out. Wow. Okay, if you like our content, you like cars like this, please subscribe to our channel, and then we're going to keep them coming. Comment down below on anything you want to say, and see you on the next one. Sweet. That's the sound of the V8. Yes, 360 horsepower V8, 6.2, 6 liter. Let him reverse. The 6.0 liter V8 that pumps out 360 horsepower or 270 kilowatts with 530 Newton meters of torque. This is the mighty car, the mighty pickup truck, the mighty Bakkie. A Bakkie not for picking up your furniture or your storage. No. This is a Bakkie for occasions.